Good morning. It's 9 o'clock, Tuesday morning. And it's gorgeous out here. Gorgeous. And I think we have to move again because we've lost the shade. We was just sitting comfortably in the shade and the sun has just moved enough to clear the leaves. So I will be moving forward. Yeah, not moving under the tree. I think this Friday, the traditional go to the mall Friday, I will buy I saw something at the bay. It's an umbrella with the big base. I think I'm going to buy that, and then they will build me the deck back here. Probably not this year. Things take time. Everybody's very busy. But they will build me a deck of some kind using the arc. And but in the meantime, I can put the umbrella there because the sun moves around. And that's where I want my deck to be with my gazebo, right? So it's either a fixed gazebo, hard top, or this umbrella one. I don't know. This is what I go through. I think about things and finally I make the decision. I don't know. Anyway, Alex is going to be coming back, but he is working somewhere else at the moment. He will come back here. The guy, he's being really nice. I've always liked Alex. He is so cool. Known him for a long time. He's a friend of my daughter and her husband's. And so that means I've known him for a long time. Probably about 10 years. And I've always liked him. We're Facebook friends. My son thinks that is so weird. Or is it my daughter? I said, well, I like Alex. Alex likes me. He got the cutest little daughter. And we just clicked. I had no idea that this is what Alex did as a job. We talked about it yesterday. Before. I didn't know that before. I'd heard about it in the last year or so, but didn't really know. But then when I needed one, all of a sudden it was Alex doing it. And I went, all right. I didn't remember hearing about him doing this. So Alex is doing my kitchen. Taping and mudding. Yes. Maybe I'll just be patient and wait. Maybe I'll just get some sort of a cheap umbrella. More temporary umbrella than the $800 big umbrella. I don't know. I really would like a fixed gazebo there. Rather than umbrella. Because umbrellas you have to put away. And that's another thing that goes into my little house. A fixed gazebo would always be outside. I looked at a small one yesterday, but it's not really. I mean, a small one would be good for me, but not really anybody else. So, okay. So the cabinets are supposed to show up today, but of course I don't know when they're going to show up. Just like I don't know when Alex is going to show up. So we just have to be patient, right, Nana? Yeah. Here. She's being patient with me. I forgot to bring out her water bowl. I'll do that later. I'm holding my iPad in my hand and it's not the best. I didn't want to put it down on the table because I hate shooting up. I prefer shooting down. Next best thing to shooting down is shooting straight. Straight is wobbly. Straight is wobbly. So there we have the pod that will be holding the cabinets while the kitchen gets mudded and painted. I've basically chosen my paint color. As usual, people want to debate the color that I choose, the colors that I choose. Like freaking don't debate the colors in my house. Don't doubt that I know what I'm doing. I am really good with colors. I also have to think about a backsplash color. I have some tile ideas that I've had for a few years. These are tiles that I saw when my mother had her, she was never, yes she was. When my mother had her heart attack and was at St. Mary's Hospital in Kitchener, I really liked the tiles that they had on the walls there in some areas. For some bizarre reason, they caught my eye. But I don't think they'd really match what I have already in terms of color in the kitchen now. But then I think, you know what? Contrast is sometimes really good. I don't know. What do you think? I'll have to go look at the tiles again. Really? Go to St. Mary's? Maybe. I thought I took a picture of them. Can't seem to find it. which means I'll have to go back. Oh. It's the bagpipes. We have someone here in the neighborhood who plays bagpipes. I have never figured out what house it is, because anyone who plays bagpipes in their backyard. Anyway, they just started up. Yes, so I'll have to figure out my backsplash. I have to figure out a color that matches the backsplash, or not. I don't know. When are the cupboards coming? When are the kitchen cupboards coming? I have to remember. Base cabinets at the back, upper cabinets accessible. Those are my instructions. So what am I doing today? Waiting. Oh. Does it really take that long to get your bagpipes working? I should move. I should sit somewhere else.